It may be bitterly cold in Europe, the largest market for Kenya's cut flowers, but bouquets of roses promising to spread love to many expectant men, women and children this Valentine's season have been flying off the supply chain from farms in the Rift Valley flower growing region. There had been earlier fears that the extreme weather conditions would affect the transport of the flowers in the run-up to Valentine's Day on February 14, among the farmers' busiest periods of the year. It takes less than 24 hours for a rose to be cut, boxed, shipped and sold at auction in the Netherlands. European markets where low temperatures are sweeping the continent have brought widespread disruption to transport services. But less snow, despite low temperatures in Dutch markets, the main destination for Kenya's flowers has kept orders up.
This year Valentine in Europe we have cold temperatures but less snow. So this year we have bigger orders than last year because the climate is better for business, for trade. Because when we have less snow, we have more trade. So this year we have less snow, although it's colder. So business is okay. We have big orders for Valentine.
However, high input costs, soaring lending rates and labor unrest are still expected to have squeezed profit margins for flower growers. Kenya's shilling collapsed last year, losing 25% against the dollar before the central bank hiked rates and triggered a rally in the last quarter of the year.
Challenges, we have the labor costs increasing every year by 10%. Again, because of the strong dollar that was there, the cost of input has increased by around 8%. That's now the fertilizer cost and the cost of chemicals.
As well as exploring new frontiers, Kenya is encouraging growers, in particular small-scale producers, to create and export finished products such as bouquets rather than bundles of cut stems to add value. Producers are also turning to new varieties of flowers to spread their risk in situations like this one, where weather conditions in the market have the potential to greatly affect exports. Roses, the mainstay of Kenya's flower sector, account for 60% of production. Exporters said there were effects of the cold snap on the price of some varieties.
On average, not so much, although I think that the prices would have been better because especially the short lengths, those are the ones that are lower, more low in price. So if the outside weather in Europe would have been better, those would have been fetching more money.
In 2010, the Kenya Flower Council said exporters lost up to $2 million a day in earnings as a vast cloud of volcanic ash paralyzed air transport in northern Europe.